Okay, they ask you to find the product of binomials. Product means multiply. Binomials means it has two terms. So they're asking you to multiply things that have two terms each, something like this. Okay, now this should kind of look familiar to you. If they ask you to multiply two terms, 1, 2, times two terms, 1, 2, this should look like a FOIL. All right, so anytime they're asking you to multiply or product of binomials, they're just asking you to FOIL. So you do F, O, I, L. All right, and then we do first times first. 5x times x is 5x to the second. Then we do outside. 5x times 4 is 20x. Then we do inside. 2 times x is 2x. And then we do last. 2 times 4 is positive 8. Okay, and then we combine like terms. So 5x squared drops. I add 20 and 2, which is 22. And they were both x's, so it stays an x. And I drop the 8 down. And that's my final answer when I multiply those binomials. Now, they could also ask you a similar question like this. They might have something like this, which is still a very similar type of question. They have a binomial raised to the second power. Now what you have to do when you see something like that is you have to write it twice, because the exponent of 2 means that you have 2 of them. Now if you notice, it's a binomial times a binomial again. So you're going to FOIL it again. So you do F, O, I, L. First times first, x times x is x squared. Outer, x times 3 is 3x.